Making money on ClickBank can actually be simple if you use the right approach. There's a method I call the Ghost Method, and it's one of the easiest ways to make your first $1,000 online. No paid ads, no Facebook campaigns, and no wasting money on promotions. You also don't need to spam links on social media or post endlessly on Reddit, Quora, or Facebook groups. None of that. This strategy doesn't require talking to anyone or trying to sell something directly. It's perfect if you prefer working quietly behind the scenes. The Ghost Method is completely new and designed for how ClickBank works right now. Once it's set up, it runs automatically, generating results 24/7 without any constant effort. The first step is to head over to the ClickBank marketplace. This part is super important because everything starts with choosing the right products. Most people only focus on finding one product to promote, but the Ghost Method takes a completely different approach. Instead of picking just one, you're going to choose multiple products, but that all need to be in the same category. That's the key difference. This is what I call secret number one, choosing several related offers instead of one. It's a small shift, but it's what makes the Ghost Method so effective later on. If you're new to ClickBank and want to start seeing results fast, I recommend starting with the health and fitness category. These offers consistently perform well and usually have some of the highest conversions on the platform. As you scroll through the marketplace, you'll notice a variety of products. Here's something to watch out for. Some offers require manual approval before you can promote them. For example, certain high-performing ones might ask you to submit a request and wait to get accepted. Beginners often get declined, so it's better to pick products that are instantly available and don't require approval. Here are a few examples of products that can bring in solid commissions. One of the top performers in the weight loss niche is Java Burn, which can earn you around $140 per sale. Another strong option is GlucoTrust, paying about $131 per sale, and then there's Prodentim, which averages roughly $145 per sale. These three are great starting points if you're just getting into the health and fitness category. Now, this first step is more important than it might seem because it directly connects to how the Ghost Method actually works. If you only push one product, you might get a few sales, but you'll miss out on everything else that could have been converted. That's why promoting multiple related offers is key to scaling your results. Once you've chosen your products, the next step is setting up your affiliate links. Click on the product you want to promote, hit promote, and then click the blue button that says generate hop link. When your link appears, simply copy it. That's your unique affiliate link. And that completes step one, finding and setting up the right offers to promote. Quick break before we continue. If you're new to affiliate marketing and want a simple step-by-step guide to get started, I've got something for you. You can grab my free affiliate marketing guide for beginners. It walks you through everything from choosing the right niche to setting up your first campaign and earning your first commissions. It's completely free, no strings attached. Just check out the link below or on the screen, download your copy, and start learning how to build a business that can make you $100 a day or more. All right. Let's jump back into it. Now, step two is where the Ghost Method really starts working. Our goal here is simple. Get people to click your links, visit the sales page, and let the page do the selling for you. When someone buys, you earn a commission. But to make that happen, we need to get your products in front of the right audience. So think about it for a second. If you're promoting a blood sugar supplement, who actually needs it? Or if you're promoting something for dental health, who's most likely to benefit? We have to reverse engineer it. Figure out who's looking for a solution, and then position your product right in front of them. Now, here's the interesting part. YouTube gets over 3 billion searches every month. People type in things like how to fix bad breath or how to lose weight fast, and those videos get thousands, sometimes millions of views. For example, a simple how to get rid of bad breath video can have hundreds of thousands of views. Even if only a small percentage of those viewers buy something related, that's still a lot of sales potential. This is where the Ghost Method comes in. The idea is to be like a ghost, showing up everywhere your target audience is searching on YouTube. You don't have to show your face or record yourself. There are channels, like one called Medinaz, that do this perfectly. They're completely faceless. They use simple AI tools, voiceovers, and subtitles to make videos that get tons of views and clicks. This is what a faceless video looks like. You don't need to show your face, be on camera, or even speak live. You can use simple AI tools to create a fully automated YouTube channel. Here's the secret. With the Ghost Method, you want to hit your audience from multiple angles. Take a look at this channel. The owner isn't just making one type of video. They cover vitamins, acne solutions, testosterone boosters, cholesterol tips, and more. Why does this matter? Because when people search for how to fix bad breath or how to lose fat, they'll find their videos. They're everywhere, constantly in front of the right audience, and that's how they can promote multiple products at once. For example, if you check out a channel like Medinaz and search breath, you'll see a video called How to Get Rid of Bad Breath. That video attracts the perfect audience. The people who are most likely to buy an oral health supplement. If they include a line like, check out the link in the description, even a small percentage of viewers clicking can generate serious commissions. That's one income stream, just from faceless videos. You can promote any affiliate product, not just ClickBank offers. And here's another way to make money, YouTube itself. Every time a viewer sees one of those pre-roll ads, the channel earns a small amount. Over time, that adds up. Just check out their estimated monthly earnings. $18,000 to $53,000 a month is crazy. That's passive income just from YouTube. But the real money is in affiliate marketing. You're using YouTube as a free traffic source. No paid ads, no spamming. Just make faceless videos, get people to click your links, and you're creating two income streams at once. The key is attacking from multiple angles like a ghost. Whether people are searching for how to lose weight, fat loss, cholesterol, or diabetes, you're everywhere promoting multiple products. Here's something that might blow your mind. Think of YouTube as digital real estate. Picture having a whole library of videos, a catalog you own that keeps earning for you. Even if just one video makes $1 a day, another makes $2, and another 50 cents, it adds up fast. Before you know it, you could be making $50, $100, $300, or even $400 a day, all from videos that work for you 24/7 while you sleep, travel, or work your regular job. The beauty of this is that you do the work once. Using simple AI tools, you create faceless videos, upload them for free, and they can continue paying you for years. Some videos on YouTube that were uploaded 4 years ago are still ranking and earning because people are constantly searching. With over 3 billion searches every month, there's an endless stream of free traffic looking for tutorials just like yours. But here's the key, you're not making random cat or prank videos that don't sell anything. You're making specific tutorial videos like how to fix bad breath that attract the right audience for your product. These viewers are much more likely to buy because your video solves the exact problem they have. That's the ghost method, appearing everywhere your audience searches, promoting multiple products without being spammy. Step 1 and Step 2 work hand in hand, and together they create a system that earns you consistently over time. Finally, secret number 3, creating faceless videos in minutes using simple AI tools. I'll leave a link in the description below to a software called VEED.io, which you can start using for free. Here's how it works. Once you're in the dashboard, click Gen AI Studio. Now type in a simple prompt of a video you want to make. For example, create a 30-second video for YouTube about how to get rid of bad breath. Use soothing voiceover narration, dynamic text animations, and cinematic stock footage. From here, click Create a Video. Now you can change the aspect ratio. Choose if you want to use an avatar or just voice-only video. Of course, language and voice, either male or female. You can also change the background music and the style of the captions. Finally, review everything and click Done. The AI takes just a couple of seconds to process your inputs, and in a couple of minutes, your faceless video is ready. From here, you can choose your audience and start sharing it on YouTube. Right now, there's a huge opportunity because most viral videos are only around 3 minutes long. If you create a 10-minute video that's more detailed and informative, you have a much better chance of going viral and getting tons of views. More views mean more ad revenue once your channel is monetized, and more clicks on the links in your description, which translates into more commissions when people buy the products. Let me be clear, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Uploading one video isn't going to make you millions overnight. That's not how it works. The key is repetition and consistency. The ghost method is all about being everywhere, reaching your audience from multiple angles by making videos on different topics that each promote different ClickBank products. Your goal is to build a full library of videos. One video might make 1 sale, another 2, another 3, and so on. It all adds up fast. Eventually, you'll hit your first sale, your first 10 sales, your first $100 days, and even $300 days. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to start building a faceless YouTube channel with AI and make money with ClickBank affiliate marketing, comment faceless AI down below and I'll make a full video on it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.